Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Vechain update for Tuesday. And Vechain is actually trapped in this flag at the moment. So the flag is in play. It hasn't been invalidated. We are still in some sort of a trouble right now. And what I can say about this one is, taking out the brush once again. And this could be an amazing intraday trading. Yeah. So you actually went down like this, moved sideways. You broke the flag, making the flag. Actually, you haven't really broken it just yet. You are still inside the flag right now. But in the next coming few days, I do expect Vechain to break that flag. And when you break the flag, you actually go to the downside. Now, today's Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday. I could actually say the following. Wednesdays and Thursdays, there's always, like previously, of course, I've seen Bitcoin making midweek reversal during Wednesdays and Thursdays. So there could be small chances here and there that Vechain actually does make a midweek reversal. Could be possible. And when you make that midweek reversal, you can actually just go back and backtest the EMA. So if you're going to go and backtest the EMA, probably the 10 EMA could be there. But you have to be very careful, because one thing is certain, you are about to get a bear cross. And that's not a good sign. That is actually a very bad sign. So you actually like to buy the bull cross and you want to sell the bear crosses. So that's pretty much it for this update. Now, if you do actually break down, then the target still remains at 0.01945. And that's it for this question.